Coconut bake. This is what my husband requested when we came back from our Bahamas vacation. So now it's back to our regularly scheduled programming. We need 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of pulp. So you're going to blend until you get that amount. Now to your flour, which is 4 cups of packed flour, I'm going to list all of the ingredients and measurements down below for you all. You're going to add in what you blended. Everything goes in. Don't strain, just add it in and mix well until you create a nice soft dough. You don't want it overly soft. It shouldn't be too tacky. And if you need to add some dry flour, of course you can. You want to knead this really well until the gluten forms. Punch down, press down, knead, and then cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After it's rested, you're going to break this into 2 pieces. And I know you all are going to tell me about my long nails, but guys, it's only for my family. I do not sell food. Go ahead and prick it with the fork just to make that pattern that we're accustomed with. Cover and allow it to rest for 20 minutes and then bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Allow it to cool down if you have the patience for that. We didn't. And simply enjoy with some saltfish bulgur, which will be the next recipe posted.